Are you selling your home? Effective storage solutions are your secret weapon for a fast and profitable sale. We'll show you how quick storage solutions can help you declutter fast, keep spaces show-ready, and boost buyer appeal, even with a hectic schedule. Selling a home while balancing work and family life is challenging. You need to keep things tidy and appealing, often on short notice. Great storage helps you present a clean, spacious home that buyers can easily imagine themselves in, leading to a quicker sale. Let's start with strategies for rapid organization to get your home ready for those first showings. Avoid overwhelm by tackling one room at a time. This keeps you focused and allows for quick, satisfying wins. Use the keep, donate, toss method for quick decision-making. If you don't use it or love it, decide its fate immediately. Once decluttered, the next step is maintaining a show-ready space at all times. Invest in neutral storage boxes. They conceal clutter while adding a clean, organized aesthetic that appeals to buyers. Buyers peek into closets and cabinets. Maximize organization here to show off the storage capacity and prove everything has a place. Make rooms feel bigger and brighter by clearing all horizontal surfaces. Less clutter means more visual space. Ultimately, your storage efforts are about boosting the overall appeal of your home to potential buyers. An organized home highlights ample storage space, which is a major selling point for almost every buyer. Easy-to-access storage is crucial for quickly tucking away personal or non-essential items before last-minute showings, helping buyers focus on the house itself. Implementing these quick storage solutions can dramatically reduce your stress and improve your selling experience. Remember, decluttering leads to faster sales, less stress, and higher buyer satisfaction. Maintain your new system with ease, and you'll be handing over the keys to a happy new homeowner in no time.